since last time. The downpipe has been done. It's done. It's been welded completely. The only thing that's missing is like the bung for the lambda. I need 2 of these, but the rest is done. The flex part of the downpipe is in a really good place. It's in between the engine block and the bulkhead, like where it has really a lot of space. The tightest space is just around where it's like transfer case. Is that what it's called? Which is sending the power to the rear wheels, like in between this case and the bulkhead. That's where like the tightest space is. So, but anyway, if you look away from this, the rest of the downpipe is done. So from the downpipe, this is the rest of how the exhaust is going to be done. It's going to go in the middle underneath the drive shaft. Then it's going to go on the left side of the differential, and then it's going to go into this muffler, and the exhaust is going to go kind of behind the diff and then into the muffler, and then out of the muffler 90 degree and out the stock placement. And I'm only going to have 1 muffler. I think it's going to be enough. This muffler was used on the 90 Quattro previously, when the 90 Quattro had 3-inch exhaust all the way. Now it has 3.5-inch all the way. This was a spare one, and I'm going to use it on mine. It's going to be more than enough. By the way, the muffler is Apple muffler. It's supposed to be really good. So I got a question on my last video. It's about my fuel setup. What fuel pump do I have and how is it wired? Actually, I just got my new fuel pump. I'm going to get it. Here I got my new fuel pump. Kind of unboxing. This is the exciting part. So this is it. This is the new Bosch pump. I guess I haven't read a lot about this. I guess it's gonna be the replacement for the 044 pump, since it's been made like 1 million copies of it. So this is the newer Bosch 200 pump, which is, I guess it's a bit smaller. That's why they have this added material and some fittings. So my fuel setup is, I would say, really simple. I have an ECU. I have Max ECU Street. I would choose a different one if I had to choose again. I would choose Max ECU still, but maybe the Race edition, because I would like a bit more outputs and inputs. Anyway, the ECU is controlling the relay for my fuel pump, and I have the fuel pump in the rear. And if I have a footage of it, I will show it now. So I have a fuel cell. It's 38 liters. I don't know how much this is. It's this amount in gallon. I'm running AN8 from the fuel pump to the engine bay, and from the engine bay it's from AN8 to 10mm hose, which is the stock size on the 1.8 turbo. That's my fuel setup. So thank you for the question. Until next time, I'm not gonna get any more done today. So until next time, lots of love. Hope you have a good day, good night. See you again next time.